I saw that we did koja. I'm telling you the sexy.
Jesus.
What? You want to kiss me? Mr. Man, if not that I'm in a good mood, I could have dealt with you. Will you get out of here?
Oh, thank you, sir. Oh, sir. You're sweating. Jesus.
You're a bad guy.
Bonjour, madame and Oganen. Welcome to the French restaurant, Nini.
Oh my god, babe, is this a French restaurant?
Of course, you know you said you grew up in France and you love French too much. That's why I brought you here.
Oh my god, you're
Madame
so sweet.
and Oganen, what may I offer you, Nini?
Okay, get the menu and start and place the other. Okay. Oh, I want the number 6. I used to have this food so much in France.
Wow.
Yes, number
I love
number
it
6.
that you're feeling nostalgic.
You want
about it.
Yes. Yes, number 6. That's
Number
my favorite
6.
food. Yeah. Please, I want this to be extra spicy.
You heard what she
You
said,
want it
please.
spicy?
Yes, for
Extra
number 6.
spicy, please.
I've been an idea, babe. Wait, sorry. That's the humor Ekanto do de Lodondo.
Exactly.
You want it spicy?
Please. Like she said, extra spicy.
Extra spicy.
Yes.
What about the drink, Nini?
Oh, okay. Let me get.
You want it spicy?
Okay, number 7. Can you give me number 7 for the drink?
Okay, no, but that's the General Bebida Espritosa.
Yes, I love that wine.
Oh, yeah.
Babe, that wine is top notch. I love it.
Wow.
You
This
say
is my
number
favorite.
7. It's number
Really?
7 you say, Nini.
Yes, number 7.
That's the General Bebida Espritosa.
Yeah, that's what she said. Like, just get it for her.
You say wine.
Yes, that's the wine I want.
That's the wine you want.
That's my favorite wine. Get it.
General Bebida Espritosa.
Exactly.
Number 7.
Yes, that's what she said.
Is
Just
the one you want,
Yeah.
Nini? The General Levantriste Levantos. The General Bitters, now they call wine. Apps, bitters, now they call wine.
yeah.
Oh my God, it's here.
The General Babida Espritosa.
Yeah.
Any other thing, Nini?
I love this wine. I so much love this wine. I remember when
Taste.
taking this wine in France. Just made me feel like home. So good.
Okay, you love the wine, Nini?
Yes, it tastes so natural, babe.
It's good.
It's so good.
Tastes so good.
Okay, for the Le Pro, Le Fontre, Le Patons, too.
Okay.
All right, Nini. Tada!
Sorry, what's this?
Cigar and lighter.
This is what you ordered.
This is not what I ordered.
Babida Levantre, say Levantos, on a cigar and lighter, my sister.
Hey, don't do that.
Forget that. Don't worry yourself. If you don't know something, ask. Babida Levantre, say Levantos is actually cigar and lighter.
Shush! I know what I ordered.
Just calm
What's
down.
he trying to say?
Calm down, let me fix this. Bro, there's a mix-up somewhere. Is this...
Even this tea you are drinking is not wine. Let me show you what you are drinking.
What's he saying? I know what I ordered now.
Chairman,
Is he okay?
This is what you are drinking, the General Bitter spirit drink with the blend of herbs made in Nigeria. Now here they make am. We just give am sweet name. The General Levantrese Levantos. You don't run call am expensive wine. You dey date ancestors, you say you dey date babe. Person wey carry the bitters put for mouth, you no squeeze him face, you say na this.
See, don't let me change it for you.
Oh, Sian, you dey date ancestors.
I will change it for you now. I'm taking more here now.
Whoa, hold on. What
And what I ordered is like spaghetti. This is not what I ordered.
Where did that come from?
A cracked voice.
Crack.
Now, na Igwe dey date or na Igwe? Now you dey date. You say na babe.
Bro, please. Cracked voice indeed. Please, can I get rice and beans?
Oh, sir, you mean the Levanton still Levanton?
No. Rice and beans.
Okay, rice and
please.
beans.
Yes.
Bad guy.
Thank
I think say you want Levanton, say Levanton.
No, please.
Rice and beans.
Rice and beans, please.
I will need rice and beans too.
Oh, Locons to Levalin.
Nah, I am rice and beans because.
Aha.
Ama.
Na good morning o.
Ló ń lọ ẹ̀fọ́ àlù.
Ṣé bá give her money yesterday?
Ẹ fún wa ló mama yẹn ti lọ láti jọ mẹ́ta bá ń sí.
No money na no market.
Ẹ fún wa ló. Give us money. Yesterday money be that.
Abeg, I no get money.
Give us money. I yesterday money now. Give us money.
The J Mara.
Mama, step aside. Hold for me. Young man, you all should allow this poor woman breathe. Do not suffocate her.
Shut up! Talking master for Nigeria.
Wait.
General, catch.
Damn, I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie.
I love it.
What type of plane is this?
What? Sir, what's the problem now? What's the problem, sir?
Young man, please allow me to die. No. Allow me to die.
Sir, you can't die. You have found help. Tell me, what is the problem? I may be a solution to you.
Are you playing?
Poor masses, allow me to die. You cannot solve my problem.
Sir, in this life, never you look down on anybody. Anyone can be of help to you. So you tell me, what is the problem and let me find solution.
Yes.
My container of 992.2 billion just sank in the sea. I thought he wanted to help me.
I got.
Boy, what's happened? Person get mind go shit inside this place, you know, flush. Jesus. And you know, say I'm at this period, everything comes strong, they smell. That will not be well. See what you go do. I go downstairs now, go bring takeaway pack.
What?
You go run inside the takeaway pack. When you come out aside, you go throw away. They shit inside takeaway. Baba, I be veteran for this business. That's what they do. Just sit down now, run go bring her.
Oh God, have mercy upon us.
This man!
Mugbe wọn handicap.
Afa, Modigo.
Sabinus.
Hey.
Oh, so now you be this?
No. Oh, na me.
Sabinus. Since that time when you asked me out.
Oh, I asked you out. Wow, I asked him out too.
I just say make you buy me charger before we start relationship. Only. Now you run. Hey! See am. Greedy man. Now only you don't control. Stingy. Greed. Now you go kill.
Greed. No. Na beans.
Beans.
It's beans.
I know there you. I love beans.
Jesus, my brain want blow.
You like beans?
Beans is my favorite.
No be this type of beans, so na cold beans be this.
Oh, I get microwave for house.
This one gas block.
Stingy man. So like this food now I won't kill you.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
I no wan date you again. Na by force give my beans.
I get coconut head.
No chop that thing. If you chop am, you fit die.
This evening you will die.
She's going to die.
What's your happening now? Loudy. How you doing now?
I do. This way they work on your generator. What's your
Boy, for over 2 weeks now, they never give us light.
What do you say?
Even generator now don't give up the ghost. Now the ghost with the try call back. Maybe you give one side.
Now, wow.
My ticket don't cut. What's you say you dey bet?
You dey want?
I dey bet fire.
You dey bet fire. Bet why you never make am?
Yeah, think about your life.
See, I don't know. But if not bet, I dey bet, eh?
One away.
Jesus.
Maybe say I bet so till one day they chop me. Now only bet follow me go house.
Yes, you bet. So where you go wear am?
I hang out for neck now.
Jesus. Don't chop me tire. See, Wasiu, you never hear of sports tycoon?
Which one be down on a Telegram channel?
Yes, now, Wasiu, and they are the best at it too. All you just have to do is to join their Telegram channel on the bio and see they're going to give you free odds. And you know what? To join are free of charge.
But that one later, I no fit bet again. They don't chop me enough. My smoke colors.
What?
Smoke up now.
Bro, I know the smoke. I get lightheaded.
You and your lips black like Blashuli. Say you get like smoke up, Joe.
Guy, I swear I know the smoke. I get lightheaded.
If I light you, yes! You lighthead. Smoke up, idiot.
I get lightheaded. I know the smoke.
You dey want?
They whine me.
Guys, see now. I know they lie. I get lightheaded. I get lightheaded. Lightheaded. I get lightheaded.
The man them too inconsiderate.
Calm down, una go charge. Make everybody pay their money one by one.
Codeine up with the Finnegan. She got fit, but she wanna get Finnegan. Drinking apples.
So now 100 is usually they disturb me. They mean at 7.5.
Side of vinegar wearing skin cause
Jesus. This is not blow. What do we go do now?
Mona, calm down. They come. Hello, Marius. What's happening now?
Hello, guy. Our head power source. Low too much. This head won't blow.
Jesus.
What's going to happen now?
Guy, we got to find another source.
Now we got find. This head won't blow.
Return the money quietly.
all your problems temporary. You will succeed miraculously.
You know they smoke. No, Baba, I get lightheaded. I want to smoke.
The work is done.
Hi, your face looks familiar. You stay in this estate, right?
Yeah.
Then what are you doing here? What's wrong?
It's my boyfriend. He just broke up with me and he's threatening to post my nude online if I don't give him 10 million.
Nah, lie. That one they find money.
I'm not lying. He sent me the video.
That is how they do. Don't worry.
Wait. You think I'm joking? Look at the video. Look at it. Oh, Trudeau.
Not true. You didn't even get pants. You even they play with your. This video bad.
What do you think I should do?
The future is at stake. Okay, now let's video day.